Okay, so continue. So B, types of the meats and dairy that can constitute basar v'chalav. Okay. Number 1, the Torah prohibition. Meat of any kosher domestic animal. Right, so the commentary say those types of domestic animals that may be eaten when properly slaughtered. Okay, no problem. That was cooked in a milk of any kosher domesticated animal is included in the Torah prohibition basar v'chalav. So just to stop here and understand, so all of the animals, kosher animals, right, that were slaughtered properly, right, and milk of domesticated animals that included in the Torah prohibition basar v'chalav, milk and meat. So all others would be, as we understand, is rabbinical prohibition. Meat and milk from non-kosher or a non-domesticated, even kosher animal, chaya, right, cooked together is not prohibited by the Torah law. Meaning what? Let's try to understand this statement. Milk or meat from non-kosher, right? Non-kosher like pig. Well, let's say pig with milk. So it's so in Torah. I mean, maybe there are exceptions, but I can think of any right now. But usually one prohibition is enough. So if something is prohibited, so it cannot be prohibited prohibition on top of the prohibition. So if this pig is forbidden as a non-kosher animal, so it's forbidden. So whether you eat it with the milk, not milk, with salt, without salt, it is still forbidden. Okay. So one more time, milk or any milk or meat. I'm sorry, milk or meat from non-kosher or non-domesticated, non-domestic, even kosher animals, right? Non-domestic and kosher animals cooked together and not prohibited by Torah law. So what does it mean? So we have this. What is it? What is this? It's a deer, antelope, and perhaps buffalo. Okay, so there is buffalo milk by me. They in this butcher store they call this sell buffalo. I mean, it's like we bought it once, we don't want to buy it again. I mean, it's very lean. Right? So since this buffalo, so with the domesticated with the milk of the cow. It's not prohibited by Torah law, but prohibited by rabbinic law. Okay, so I mean, still prohibited. Even cow's milk cooked with deer meat is not considered basar v'chalav by the Torah law. So don't try it at home, but technically, right? So you have a deer meat and cooked with milk is not prohibited by the Torah law. See, that's all. Since a deer is not domesticated animal, similarly meat of the fowl cooked in the milk is not forbidden by the Torah law. Okay, so I mean, even though they're not forbidden, does not mean that we can eat. Okay.